Today, we will learn the first part of the Vipassana meditation technique, ANAPANA. This is the technique that the Buddha used under a tree to achieve enlightenment. Like many other meditation techniques, ANAPANA uses the power of observation to be completely present. We will focus on maintaining normal breathing without altering it in any way. If it is accelerated, we observe it like this. If it is calm, we observe it calm. The attention is placed on the area of the skin just below the nose and above the lip. We observe the friction of the air when inhaling and exhaling, and any sensation in this area without reacting to it. You may feel cold, hot, tingling, or other sensations in that area. Your task is simply to observe each sensation without moving from that area. This may seem easy, but the body and mind can distract you. The body may complain of pain due to sitting, and the mind can get bored and seek entertainment. When you notice, simply return your attention to the area under your nose. Don't get frustrated if you lose concentration. Gently rectify it. Frustration is a reaction, and losing concentration is a symptom of the mind's appetite for constant stimuli. Let's go back to Anapana, the part of Vipassana where we concentrate only on the area below the nostrils. Let's try this together for a minute. Go ahead, sit up straight with your legs crossed and your hands on your legs or lap. If not, you can sit on the floor, sit in a chair, but keep your back straight so that the body stays active. Once settled, close your eyes. Breathe normally and focus on the area under your nose and above your upper lip. Feel the air as you exhale and how it cools as you inhale. Continue observing for a minute. Was it difficult for you? Did your mind wander many times, or did you manage to observe the sensations for a minute? Remember, you must do this every day. It helps us calm the mind and observe how it behaves, demanding content and chatter. With the Zen meditation, we actively pause and learn the power of concentration, which will be useful for the next steps of Vipassana meditation. Please, my friend, don't forget to subscribe so we can continue learning together. Goodbye.